ऐसी बातें क्यों करती हो शर्म.
Contrary to what we might project as a country, sanitation is not a piddly little thing. Mahatma Gandhi had said that sanitation is a lot more important than independence. Rightly said. Well, after years of independence, we can teach the world a thing or two when it comes to an independent, vibrant democracy. But when it comes down to sanitation, we refuse to take any lessons at all. Well, the India Today group has taken upon itself to carry forth the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan with a little bit of Safai Giri.
Just 70 kilometers outside Nagpur, a little off the highway lies the village Pauni. Nothing extraordinary about it except this. Pauni, along with 3 other villages in Maharashtra's Nagpur district, have received funds to build toilets and will soon become open defecation-free villages.
जे आधी लोक आहेत ते बाहेर जात होते ते शौचालयाला, जसं म्हणजे संडासला वगैरे त्यांना त्रास होत होता, सापाचा, विच्छूचा आणि रात्री बेरात्री जाणं, कोणाला काही इमर्जन्सी असलं तर कुठं जायचं, यामुळे लोकांना खूप त्रास होता. आधी हे योजना आल्यामुळे लोकांना संडास बांधून दिले 1500 त्यांना, आणि ह्या लोकांना त्या संडासाचा व्यवहार म्हणजे वापर केला पाहिजे.
हम तो हर गांव में हर घर में शौचालय बनाने का हमने वो बीड़ा ही उठा लिया है.
It has been 6 months since the announcement of Swachh Bharat Abhiyan by Prime Minister Modi on Independence Day.
गंदगी का नामो निशान नहीं रहने देंगे. ये सरकार से होता नहीं है, जन भागीदारी से होता है, और ये काम हम सबको मिलकर के करना है.
But much before this clarion call for a clean India, Care Today, the corporate social responsibility initiative of the India Today group, had pledged to build 700 toilets in a bid to promote health, hygiene and women's safety. Started in September 2014, the Clean Toilet Fund has collaborated with World Toilet Organization and other NGOs to construct toilets for needy households in Odisha, Maharashtra, Punjab and Himachal Pradesh.
Through World Toilet Organization, India Today Group sponsored Care Today Fund has supported this organization for construction of 275 toilets in Pauni Gram Panchayat of Ramtek block in Nagpur district. Almost the construction is over. It has been benefited immensely to the rural people. The women household are using the toilet. Their health condition has improved immensely, and the money spent on health aspect because of toilet, it has been reduced dramatically.
Around 11 villages in Maharashtra, Odisha, Himachal Pradesh and Punjab have already benefited from this campaign. The project focuses on reaching out to women by bringing them to the center of the decision-making process, empowering them and diversifying their options of earning a livelihood. The program also involves women self-help groups in brickmaking and the construction of these toilets. As of now, 184 toilets have been built so far, while the construction of another 382 toilets are in various stages of progress.
If cleaning India were that easy, we wouldn't ask for your help. To bring this change, we need you.
There are few occasions in Indian politics when BJP and the Congress are on the same page. The issue of sanitation seems to be one of them. On 13th of March, during the 2014 India Today conclave, then Union Minister for Rural Development, Jairam Ramesh, set the ball rolling by urging that sanitation needs to become a national obsession.
You said that a toilet was supposed to be a more pious place, if I'm correct, than a temple. What did you mean?
Well, in a country that still has over 60% of women defecating in the open, and in a country in which sanitation practices has led to very severe malnutrition amongst children, I think we need to make hygiene and sanitation a national obsession. Cricket is a national obsession, politics is a national obsession, Bollywood is a national obsession, but sanitation has to also become a national obsession.
It was the session on temples versus toilets, where Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Shivraj Singh Chauhan agreed with Jairam Ramesh on the issue of sanitation.
कि मध्य प्रदेश में हमने मर्यादा अभियान चलाया हुआ है। मर्यादा अभियान का अर्थ सीधा ये है कि हर घर में टॉयलेट होगा। अपने अपने तरीकों से सब लोग लगे हैं और सारे भारत में इस महत्ता को हर कोई स्वीकार करता है कि शौचालय भी आवश्यकता है, और इसलिए उसमें कोई दो मत है ही नहीं। लेकिन ये केवल बहस का मुद्दा है, हम नहीं मानते इसको, तो हम क्रियान्वित करके दिखाएंगे। भोपाल को भी हमारा संकल्प है। हम
अभी तक तो बहस का भी मुद्दा नहीं था।
नहीं, ये देखिए, कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं।
हमारे नेता तभी जागेंगे जब शौचालय और देवालय को एक स्थान पर लाकर चर्चा होगी। बड़ी तस्वीर की बात हो।
कुछ लोग ऐसे होते हैं जो बहस करते हैं, कुछ ऐसे रहते हैं जो चुपचाप काम करते रहते हैं। हम काम करके दिखाएंगे।
And agreeing with both of them was none other than BJP's Uma Bharti, who is now responsible for cleaning up the Ganga.
और महिलाओं के लिए शौचालयों की बहुत बड़ी कठिनाई है। बहुत बड़ी आबादी को बेपर्दा होकर के बाहर खुले में जाना पड़ता है। निर्मल ग्राम की जितनी ज़रूरत है उससे ज़्यादा परेशानी अभी दिल्ली, बम्बई और कलकत्ता में है औरतों को बहुत, क्योंकि जो मजदूरों की स्त्रियां हैं जिनके घर नहीं हैं और जो करोड़ों की संख्या में इन बड़े शहरों में आए हुए हैं, उनको दिन में लघुशंका करने के लिए भी जगह नहीं। बड़ा टॉयलेट जाने की तो बात छोड़ दीजिए। तो आज की बहस में से अगर यही बात आ सके, मैं तो ये कहती हूँ कि आप सारे, चाहे 2 कमरे का भी घर बन रहा हो, उसके लिए ये रेगुलेटरी कर दीजिए कि उसको एक टेम्परेरी टॉयलेट मजदूरों के लिए, उनकी पत्नी और बच्चों के लिए बनाने पड़ेंगे, नहीं तो कोई घर नहीं बन सकता, कोई दुकान नहीं बन सकती, कोई मार्केट नहीं बन सकता।
But it was the founder of World Toilet Organization Singapore, Jack Sim, who gave the debate a spin by talking about making toilets alluring.
Toilet must be a normal subject one day, because going to the toilet is so enjoyable. You can ask the last panelist or the expert to survey people before they go to toilet and after. They're all happy. So if you are unhappy and after that you become happy, this is a luxury, this is an enjoyment, and this is a culture. You go to the toilet 6 to 8 times a day. You don't even count. Right? You spend 3 years of your whole life inside the toilet. Now, you have to solve this problem by making toilets sexy. We have to mobilize all these people. Bollywood, Hollywood, Tollywood, cricket players, politicians, all of them to create a revolution, because if we create a revolution, toilet becomes sexy. Once it's sexy, people will ask, oh, you mean you don't have toilet? I have. And then jealousy will drive ego, pride. Then the market move. Is that I understand in India, the multinational and the companies have to pay 2% CSR money. So take this CSR, don't go and put it in other thing, put it in toilet first.
Yeah.
And then we have to make poop culture to pop culture. So we need all the songs and the Bollywood dancing. All these songs must write about toilet entertaining way. Very funny, very serious, doesn't matter. But it has to become pop culture.
If cleaning India were that easy, we wouldn't seek your help. To bring this change, we need you. India aims to build 12 crore toilets by 2019.
That is, as many as 65,000 families per day need to be provided toilets over a period of over 4 years in order to make the Clean India campaign a success. With numbers that high, the country needs to pitch in quickly. And who better to lead the trend than Bollywood superstar Salman Khan? During 13th India Today conclave held in March 2014, months before Modi's much publicized Swachh Bharat campaign kicked off, the India Today group pledged to the cause of rural sanitation. And the big Khan chose sexy toilets as his charity of choice.
Now we're doing some good. We're going to raise some money for charity. We're auctioning something. And we're going to raise that money for...
Let's do it for sexy toilets.
Sexy toilets? Okay, we're doing it for sexy toilets.
And auctioned off hugs to raise funds for toilets.
Ek hug, ek hug, ek hug, ek hug, ek hug, ek hug, ek hug. 10 ka ek, 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 10. 10,000?
Come.
Come.
Salman, I know you are a hugger, but it's not happening. Can we have some music? We're taking the shirt off. I have another Being Human shirt for you, and we're giving the shirt for 2 lakhs.
Being Human, Salman Khan Foundation has donated 12 lakh rupees for Care Today's Clean Toilet Fund.
So how does one make toilets sexy? How does one make sanitation sexy? They talk about defecation, sanitation. How does one make it not taboo in a country like India to talk about it openly so we can bring about a change? A change in the attitudinal shift where India is concerned, where we're not okay. We're not okay praying right here, where right next to we have mounds and mounds of garbage. We're going to slip into a quick break. On the other side, we get you what the India Today group is doing. Its own bit of safaigiri. But clearly, it takes a fair amount of bits to create an impact. We also get you a special message from Salman Khan. As Indians, we take a lot of pride in our cultural, religious, sociological, geographical, political ethos. The Clean India campaign, the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan, is quite an extension of that. For the countrymen, for Indians to take pride in how they keep their country. Well, it was a matter of great pride for all of the India Today group when right from here, from the Assi Ghat in Varanasi, the Prime Minister Narendra Modi nominated the India Today group and its chairperson Arun Puri as a member to take forward the Swachh Bharat Abhiyan. A matter of great pride for us and greater responsibility.
Over 620 million people in India defecate openly every single day. They do not even have access to a toilet. The most vulnerable of these are children. Making sanitation arguably India's most critical needs to make the country a cleaner place to live in. The India Today Group's Safaigiri initiative meant as a homage to the Mahatma and to carry forward the task handed out by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, who has nominated India Today Chairman Arun Puri and the entire group to carry forward the Swachh Bharat initiative.
See, Arun Puri, India Group, India Today Group, उनके तो कई साथियों ने मुझे ट्वीट कर करके कहा था, इलेक्ट्रॉनिक मीडिया में जो उनके प्रमुख लोग हैं उन्होंने भी ट्वीट करके कहा था कि हम भी जुड़ना चाहते हैं। मैं आज अरुण पुरी और इंडिया टुडे ग्रुप के पूरे देश के उनके सभी साथियों को निमंत्रित करता हूं।
As part of this initiative, the India Today group will carry out a nationwide campaign by asking citizens to submit pictures and videos of their efforts. This is aimed at encouraging a healthy competitiveness in making neighborhoods cleaner than before across India. These efforts would be showcased across our television platforms as a national recognition of their efforts. The group will also carry forward its own initiative of raising funds to build toilets in girls' schools across India. Launched in 2014 at the India Today Conclave in association with the World Toilet Organization chief Jack Sims and Bollywood star Salman Khan, around 78 lakh rupees has already been raised to build 700 toilets in rural India. Toilets built by the India Today group are already benefiting poor communities in various tribal villages of Maharashtra and Odisha.
अगर पूरे देश को स्वच्छ करना इतना आसान होता तो हम आपसे मदद नहीं मांगते। इस काम के लिए हमें आपकी पूरे देश की जरूरत है।
The genesis of the campaign is during the Salman Khan shows during the last 2014 India Today conclave, and it was a very spontaneous feeling of people, and the fact that the conclave was being held coterminous with the International Women's Day, and the Women's Day safety of the women is quite connected to the availability of sanitation and toilets. We raised donations approximately about 78 lakh rupees, and the objective was to construct 700 toilets, and the cost was about 91 lakh rupees towards that, and the balance coming from the Care Today fund. We are partnering two kinds of organizations. We have got a knowledge partner in the form of World Toilet Organization, and on the ground we are partnering Nageshwara Charitable Trust in Maharashtra, Gram Vikas in Odisha, and Nanicha in Himachal Pradesh and Punjab. There are a lot of NGOs who are capable of doing these things, and the greater the contributions of the generosity of the donors, I think the more work we can do on ground. Yeah, there's a sincere appeal for others to engage in this process, and we are confident of delivering on ground.
अगर पूरे देश को स्वच्छ करना इतना आसान होता तो हम आपसे मदद नहीं मांगते। इस काम के लिए हमें आपकी पूरे देश की जरूरत है।
वैसा हुआ था कि वो एक कॉन्क्लेव में चले गए थे, इंडिया टुडे के कॉन्क्लेव में। वहाँ पर एक आई थिंक जापानीज आदमी था जो बड़ा इंटरेस्टिंग लगा हमें। उसने कुछ काफ़ी सारे टॉयलेट्स बनाए और काफ़ी लोगों ने वहाँ पर ये टॉयलेट्स के लिए पैसे डोनेट किए। वहाँ पर बीइंग ह्यूमन ने भी कुछ 100 टॉयलेट्स का एक वादा किया था, जो कि हमने फुलफिल किया है। फिर हमारे काफ़ी दोस्तों ने भी डोनेट किए, तो ये प्रोजेक्ट वहाँ से काफ़ी बड़ा हो गया। अब 700 बाथरूम्स हैं, टॉयलेट्स हैं जो कि बन गए हैं और बड़ी खुशी होती है। लेकिन 700 एक बहुत ही छोटा फिगर है। अगर ये 7 करोड़ भी हो जाएंगे ना, तभी भी बहुत छोटा फिगर होगा। 70 करोड़ भी हो जाएंगे तभी भी बहुत छोटा फिगर होगा, बिकॉज 121 करोड़ की आबादी के अंदर ये फिगर काफ़ी छोटा होगा। 70 करोड़ शायद से फिगर। तो अगर यहाँ तक कि अगर ये 700 से अगर ये अमाउंट आपकी हेल्प से बढ़ता जाता है तो नथिंग लाइक इट। लेकिन जो ये क्लीन टॉयलेट प्रोजेक्ट कर रहे हैं, उनसे सिर्फ ये दरख्वास्त है कि टॉयलेट के साथ पानी बहुत ज़रूरी होता है। हमने कुछ 3 या 4 गांव पेंट किए हैं और हर गांव के अंदर हमने ये नोटिस किया है कि टॉयलेट्स हैं लेकिन फंक्शनल नहीं, क्योंकि उनके पास पीने के लिए पानी नहीं, नहाने के लिए पानी नहीं, तो टॉयलेट के लिए क्या, खाना पकाने के लिए पानी दूर दूर से आता है। तो हैंड इन ग्लव जाता है टॉयलेट और पानी। तो ये जो कर रहे हैं ये बहुत अच्छा कर रहे हैं, लेकिन इसको सक्सेसफुल होने के लिए वहाँ पर पानी की बहुत ज़रूरत है। अगर आप पानी ला दें, लोग खुद ब खुद टॉयलेट्स ला दें।
अगर पूरे देश को स्वच्छ करना इतना आसान होता तो हम आपसे मदद नहीं मांगते, और इस काम के लिए हमें आपकी पूरे देश की जरूरत है। सफाईगिरी शुरू हो चुकी है, बस आपका इंतजार है।
ए भाई जरा साफ तो रखो, घर ही नहीं गलियां भी, सड़कें ही नहीं नालियां भी।
As we kicked off our Safaigiri campaign using the much popular So Sorry platform, we got a Twitter message promoting us by none other than Prime Minister Narendra Modi.
Of all the virtues that India is known for, and there are many, cleanliness, unfortunately, is not one of its biggest. Most people actually believe that when it comes down to sanitation, the Indian population is genetically engineered against it. But that's not quite true. An example of that is this very ghat in Banaras, the Assi Ghat. Just over 2 months ago, there used to be mounds and mounds of garbage. You couldn't quite see the Ganga from here. All you could see was just garbage. Well, today, the scene is fairly different. And it's us who's made that possible. So it's time that we do our own bit when it comes down to Safaigiri.
And taking Safaigiri to a new level, we bring it a step closer to you. We invite you to be a part of this campaign. And soon we'll ask you to nominate someone you feel should be given a Clean India Award. And the categories are Garbage Guru, Water Warrior, Tech Icon, Toilet Titan, Community Mobilizer, Corporate Trailblazer, Cleanest Hill Station, Cleanest Religious Town, Cleanest Beach City, Cleanest Ghat, Cleanest Market, Cleanest Monument, and Cleanest Park. Nominations will be selected by an editorially driven nomination process. Will be chosen by a jury consisting of distinguished personalities. Entry and nomination